Andu mugwanja aria mahonokire na nguraro hindi ya matuika ma tiri maria macungiriirie ikuũ cia andu 12 matura-ini matiganite kaunti-ini ya Elgeyo Marakwet marathii na mbere na gutangikirwo thibitari-ini nene ya Moi Teaching and Referral kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu. Andu acio aria aingi ao ni ciana matwarirwo thibitari-ini ona ndege ya ruhonge rwa borithi kuria mamukirirwo ni arigitani hamwe na maabitha a kiama kia mutharaba mutune. Na ituika riu ni ricungireirwo ni mbura nene iria irathii na mbere na kuura. Munene wa borithi mwena ucio Okoyo akiuga ona mihang'o ya ukui ni hotomete thutha wa matuika macio kuhinga barabara nyingi mwena ucio.
There is no road movement here now. We are trying to advise the locals and even those people who may wish to travel to the affected areas that it is not wise to do that as at now through road, because we are suspecting that those rocks at the highly place have become loosened now, and any given time, should the rains persist, they can even start running downwards. You know, the gravity is too much now on them now. Now, going to Kabetwa, those people from Tot to Kabetwa cannot pass this way again.